Hey guys, it's Erica, Effortlessly ESP, back with you all, and have my cousin Kiana. Hi! So we're gonna be dyeing hair today. Usually my hair and maybe a flat twist or something like that, but I do have some weave by Kinkycurlyyaki. So just a sample of some of it. It's been co-washed, deep conditioned. We're gonna take care of it like I take care of my natural hair. But anyways, we're dyeing it today because it's a different color for my hair, a little bit brown.
On a tad bit darker.
Yes, we're just gonna get it black. And so what we're gonna do today, we're gonna just dye by Dark and Lovely. I got it from Walmart from about $3 or $4, something like that. So stay tuned and we're gonna dye this hair. So we're just putting the cream developer in a bowl. You can usually just put the cream color into this cream developer cup, but I don't want to do that because we're going to be dyeing it, and I really want to put this on some aluminum foil so I can just splatter it with this brush onto the hair itself. So we're going to just do things a little differently. I'm pretty sure it'll all turn out the same. Now we're going to put in the Ultra Radiant Cream color. And let's get this show started. That's all we're going to get out. That's mostly all of it. So that's fine. There we go. Alright, so I think we are all good. It's turned like a little brown color, but that's pretty normal. I dyed my hair black one time before, so it's going to change colors. So we are all set. Alright. Let's do this. y'all, I'm back. So I have the hair sitting here. It's been about 15 minutes. So it's been sitting here processing. I'm gonna rinse the hair out. And that's what I'm gonna use this conditioner that it came with, just to try the conditioning a little bit. And then I'm gonna rinse that out. And I'm gonna use this conditioner. I'm gonna rinse that out and use some leave-in conditioner. So now I'm about to put the conditioner that came with it, which is this one. I'm just squirting this conditioner on there generously, and I just shingle. Just so I can make sure I get each strand, just like I would do my regular hair. Like I said, I treat this hair like I treat my regular hair because the curls are actually steamed in. And so I don't use like cheap products or products with chemicals on this hair. I just use my regular natural hair product. Okay, y'all, so it's been 20 minutes. I'm about to put in the whole blends conditioner. Hair's been good and conditioned. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rinse this out, and then we're going to put some leave-in conditioner in. And this is going to be the leave-in conditioner that I choose to use today. And we're going to get this process started. Remember, rinse with cool water to lock in the moisture. I'm going to be letting the hair air dry right here. I figured that it would be best if I could just put the leave-in conditioner in right here. So I'm just going to let's get to the top, obviously, and then just squirt a good amount. I'm also being generous as well with this too, because this is what's going to set the hair. The hair already has a great curl pattern, but I just wanted to be moisturized. y'all, so my clips are dyed and dry. I'm going to get some oil to my fingertips, some coconut oil of course, and then I'm going to take these twists out and then put the hair in. So I got a few hair clips to help me out. I'll show you the difference between the hair. There's the small ones, and these are one clip. I usually use these towards the top. There's the large ones, which are these. These are 3 clips. And they're medium ones, which is right here. They're 2 clips. So I'm going to separate all my hair into 3 clips, 2 clips, or 1 clip, just to make it a little bit easier for the application. Okay, so between 2 orders, I have 10 3 clips, 4 2 clips, and 4 1 clip. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to section off my hair at the back. And it doesn't really matter how much you do, but I do want to put as much as I can in just to have my hair, just to have the hair look fuller. I'm just gonna open them, start clipping them this way, and just gonna just clip them right on. And just for the sake of the video, before I showed you why I dyed my clips, they were brown, but this is a more black, so it does look exactly like my hair color. It's going to be a lot of hair, y'all. It's going to be thick. And the reason why I like these so much is because you can see me today, I'm gonna have a side part. Tomorrow I have an up down. Like, you don't know how you gonna see me with these clips in my head. So you could curl them. I could have also flat twisted them with my hair. I could have did like a perm rod set. I could have a flexi rod set. Like, there's so much things that you could do with this hair. And like I said, it lasts. I know there's a big difference between how long my hair is, all these clippings, but y'all just let me be great. Just want some long hair. That's all. That's it. My hair will get there one day. We on this healthy hair journey towards some length. Start using these 2 clips. When you get to the front, you don't want to clip your clip-ins too close to the perimeter of your hair, like where your edges are, because you don't want your hair to fly and then like you see your weave. it to look a little bit more fuller, but y'all get the concept though. Gotta make sure I spread my leave out so it covers the tracks. It's very important. And that is it. Like I said, I take care of it like I take care of my natural hair. So I will sleep on a satin pillowcase. This is like many reviews in one. First of all, that dye work wonders. It's great. It matches my hair. The hair is great. It's great quality. I had it for like 2 years now, and it still looks wonderful, as y'all could tell. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Stay tuned. You like that? I'm like, no. Like, all right, y'all. Okay. All right, y'all. So stay.
All right, now we're going to mix. You just want to get like a really good consistency. In the kitchen, wrist twisted like it's stir fry. Oh, but that's all.